feature what I'll discuss with you. That is, one is process monitor, second is asynchronous workflow task, third is improve multiple user experience, and the fourth is document relationship administration page. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching on Tech Talk, grow together, succeed together. How you guys are doing? I think you guys are doing really well and you are waiting for the Christmas break, which is upcoming. And with that note, I come to a new video as usual, and today's topic I'll discuss four platform key feature which you can't ignore. So can't ignore, that's mean these four feature I feel that I should discuss with you. Definitely there are other feature. Feel free to go and explore this feature which was introduced on 25 R3 release December 5. With that note, let's get started. So the four key feature what I'll discuss with you, that is, one is process monitor, second is asynchronous workflow task, third is improve multiple user experience, and the fourth is document relationship administration page. So let's talk about process monitor. So in this page, you can see that the process monitor comes under report and dashboard. So once you open this process monitor at the right side, let me zoom in. At the left side, you will see the process and sub process. So the process section, you can select a object, and the sub process, you can select a object type. And also you can select the time start and cycle time start and cycle time end life cycle state, along with the date and time frame you can define, and there are some additional filter also you can add, right? So this is how you can see the for a particular life cycle state and or for an object record, I mean from each state to another state, how much time it took. It will give you the clear insight, and along with that, business or the product owner or business process, I mean the product owner definitely get the good business insight of each of the object record, right? And here if you see the seven by default metrics that process monitor is given, that is the average, median, first quartile, third quartile, enter start state, enter end state, and then first time write and total with rework. So that mean first time write means, so from each start to end how much back and forth happens. So if you see that total with rework too, that mean it not, I mean it break in between, let's say from one state to another state, it not progress forward, it progress sometimes is backward as well from one state to another state, right? And here you can add chart. And also what is process graph, that I definitely tell you on the next slide. So here you can see the process graph is uh, from each state planned to in progress and then ready for submission, how much days it took to go from each state to another state, right? And also you will see that from here variant by frequency, so here you can select all, and also you can select for few days, so that's up to you. So this is how you can get insight, and definitely you can add filter that I already told. But there are another constraint is that for process monitor, you for if you so there are some exception, that is the process monitor is not available on clinical data, CRM and align these applications, right? And whoever have the permission on the dashboard, they'll get the automatic access on the process monitor page. That is one of the access you should know, right? Now going back to the next topic, that is asynchronous workflow task. So now with that steps, admin can add the job type, which let's say they are this, I mean the workflow name is saying that assess contract risk. On this workflow, this has defined this is a job, and this job what that will do, progress from one state to another state automatically through this job. That mean, let's say you are on particular lifecycle state, and on that lifecycle state this SDK job is configured with the workflow, and once this particular record reach to that lifecycle state, the job is auto triggered through that workflow settings. And you will see notice after just certain amount of time, if you refresh that page, then the job, based on the SDK job or the activity what is doing, and I mean what the job is done in the back side, that will, you know, trigger the job will trigger and the SDK will run, and definitely the activity happen on the backside, and that will progress the lifecycle state automatically to the next step. So this is another automation Viva introduced that definitely eliminate the manual works, right? And definitely make sure that if you work with this workflow changes, then you should select that include in active workflow and timeline views. Then you can, you know, check that the workflow task is come on the time. I mean, definitely you can view the workflow changes on the workflow timeline, right? So definitely we should enable this item, I mean this box, checkbox, right? And also timeout period you can select for 2 hours, so that you definitely select. So this is definitely a good feature Viva introduced. Now I'm going to that next topic, that is improve multi-volt user experience. That is very beneficial for the user who work with different volt environment under same domain. Why I'm saying, because let's say you, no matter you are working as an admin, volt administrator, if you working on the volt testing side, so you have to be login into that different role multiple time to test some feature, to configure some feature, to check some issues if raised by some of the users. So how you will check that, right? Definitely, first of all, you will moving around one volt login credential to another volt login credential. Just think that you logged in or logged in particular role on, and you are checking some record detail or change control, you are checking that, right? And after some time you are navigate to the report and dashboard with different default. Let's say you have access to Volt Trim and Volt CTMS. Then in CTMS, just you in the another tab, you logged in CTMS and some particular uh, record you are seeing, right? In past, what you will see that the, I mean, Volt kick you out and you definitely re-log in again, re-authenticate again. So that process now end. After 25 R3, you can simultaneously work with the credential with different, I mean, all tab, and that is a very much long awaited feature we will introduce. I hope that you understand this feature. Next, so this document relationship administration page, I hope that this is also a good feature where as an admin you can configure the document relationship. You have to be go to that configuration side as an admin, then you can select the document relationship and you can create a relationship type, and there you can define the filters, and then I mean the option you will get that the target document type, source is version specific or target is version specific, carry forward target relationship that you can choose. Let's say you can choose source in version specific, then carry forward the target relationship, to that you can enable. And also you can add the filters. Definitely this access you will get if you are the Vault admin and system Vault, I mean system administrator or Vault owner access, then this by default you can access this document relationship, right? So this is one of the good feature what Viva is introduced. That's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's session and understand the 4 key feature what I wanted to be share with you. I recommend please explore the other platform feature as well and module specific feature if you're working on some specific module, and understand all and each feature well. That will help you to relevant with the feature and release. Okay. If you have any further queries, feel free to reach out to me. I'll definitely help you out. And also, I just ask you, if you want some material Viva related, please check out my TopMate account. There I share some material which may helpful for you. Thank you. See you soon. Bye for now. Hope your 26 will start brighter and good. Thank you.